Hey, what's going on? Let me ask you these questions. What is the number one thing you need as a business owner, an entrepreneur, whatever you're doing, online or offline? The number one thing you need is customer. Well, when it comes to online, the customer is otherwise known as traffic or lead, right? In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can get those traffic to your website. Well, my name is Luke, man, and if you're the first time, if this is your first time on this channel, I can't even speak tonight. It's almost 7 p.m. I've been there all day. If this is your first time on this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, so when I bring videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. And do not forget, because this will help your traffic a lot, hit that like button so YouTube knows that you're here. Well, all kidding apart, what I want to show you in this video is how you can organically pull traffic from Google, YouTube, and whatever people are searching, or even Bing, whatever people are searching, how you can literally pull traffic from those sites to your website, right? And that's what you need. Well, this time around, I'm not talking about the paid traffic. I'm actually talking about organic traffic. And this has to do with if you have a website or a blog. Well, disclaimer before I show you what I'm about to show you. The video that I'm about to show you actually is one of the courses that I recorded on SEO Secret, which I sold for about $597 back in 2019. You will find that the platform is a little different, but you can always navigate if you get into your Google Console, because we're going to be making use of Google Console in this. How can you ensure that your site is healthy enough for Google to crawl when people search anything, so Google can crawl the right keywords on your website, and of course pull people in to your website? Well, you have to ensure that your site is healthy in the face of Google, Yahoo, Bing, or whatever those search engines out there are that are pulling in query onto your site. So in this video, if you just stay put, I'm going to show you how to check the health of your website and ensure that Google is actually indexing the right pages on your website, without which you're not going to have any traffic. If you don't have traffic, you're not going to make a conversion. If you don't make a conversion, you're not going to sell. If you don't sell, your wife is going to run away on you. Well, maybe your husband. Well, the truth is, you may not even be able to pay rent, but that may not matter to you. But at least, why do you want to put in all that work to write all those blogs, put up the website, only for it to be sitting there forever? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check the health of your website to ensure that Google is indexing the right pages on your website. All right, stay put while I show this to you, man. And of course, we're still talking about your SEO. In this video, we're going to be talking about SEO health check, and this is why we're going to be making use of some other tools that Google offers us to ensure that our website is SEO compliant. All right, so the next thing we're going to check right now is Google Index, and let me show you how we're going to do that. So in this example, we're going to be looking at exact pages on our site. So we type in the website. So I'm actually going to take you to the back of this website to see what we're expecting to see. So this is the back office of this site. So you go on the pages and click on all pages. So let's try to see how many pages we'll have on this site first. So on this page, we only have about 37 pages. So let's say we have about 2 posts, which is the original post, I believe. So we should find 39 pages on this site. So when I type in sites, semicolon, the name of the site, and of course .com. So it will show you all the pages on this particular website that Google has indexed. So we'll show you all the pages and posts that has been indexed by Google in the search engine. So as you can see, we're showing 89 results, which is way more than the number of pages we actually have on this website. Remember, we were showing about 37 to 39 pages on the website, but now Google is showing us that we have 89 pages on this website that has been indexed, and that is far more than what we have. So there's definitely some kind of problem going on, and that's what we're going to try to find out. If you see less or you see more, Either way, it's going to be a problem. You probably just want to see exact number of sites that you have on your website. So if you get to this place and you see more than the pages that you actually have on your website, and if they tend to rank higher, that is actually a big problem. It means some inappropriate pages are actually ranking instead of the right page on your website ranking. That's, you want to go back into your Google console. So if that is happening, that it's going to hurt the SEO ranking of the site. So we want to see what is going on. The next step is you go back into your Google console, click on security issues. Remember when we clicked on this a while ago, there was nothing, but as far as this particular website is concerned, because we're showing that Google's actually indexing 89 pages as against 37 pages that we have on the website, that is a problem. So what we want to do is we want to go to fetch as Google, go into your crawl, do fetch as Google, and right here you can see the pages that is actually having issues, and you can just put that page right in there and click fetch. And once you do that, Google is going to show you what the problems are. So just type in the page up there like I showed you, click on fetch, and you will see that. So it's going to open up the report for you, and you would see what the search engine is indexing. Usually I do not do this except through the back office to ensure that I do not break any code. You just scan through and you will see what the problems are. There'll be some inappropriate keywords, some kind of codes that are kind of just funny on the site. I usually will give this to my developers and tell them to take out any inappropriate codes or keywords that are on the site, which apparently actually what Google is indexing, and that's going to hurt your SEO score. And all of these have to be corrected before you can move forward and be able to optimize your website. So having done that, once you give that to your developer, have them clean out each and every one of the inappropriate keywords or codes that are on there that are not supposed to be on there. Once you do that, want to do one very important step, and that is to see who is linking to you, because in as much as backlinks are very, very great for your ranking, backlinks sometimes can also hurt. So I recommend you use some free tools, such like the one I'm showing you right now, moz.com /tools, because apparently we have some spammy links on our site that's not supposed to be linking to us. So here you can check who is linking to you. And I always emphasize this for my students, and of course for a lot of our clients as well. When you have all these people linking to you, you want to make sure that you just don't want everyone linking to you, because that's may end up hurting you if they are not a very quality site. And Google really looks at the reputation of the sites that are linking to you, and if those are not very good websites, it will hurt your ranking. I mean, if you have sites like the .gov, the .org, those sites with very high authority, of course, that would help your ranking. But otherwise, if you just have some junk sites linking to you, that will hurt you and hurt your ranking. So what we're going to be looking for here is to see how many people are actually linking to our page, and if there is anything we need to fix, so we can fix it. That way we can get our site back on the right track. So of course you want to put the HTTP and put the HTTP in front of the website, and of course dump your website name in here. And once you do that, just go ahead and click on search. Let's see what the result gives us. Why is it still loading? Okay. As you can see, we have a lot of work to do here. Out of 100, we're only at 17 in terms of domain authority. The lower the number, the bad, actually, the worse it is for us. You want your domain authority number to be a little high. And you can see where it says spam score is 8/17. I mean, out of all those 17 sites, you have 8 of them that are spamming. So you want to click on the top pages on this side to see what is actually being indexed. These are the top pages, and of course the site that are pointing to us, and some of those are where the problems are coming from. I mean, not a lot of site linking back to this page, but even at that, there are still problems. So I just want to mention right here, when you start to get a lot of pages, let me show you what you're going to be looking for. You want to see the domain authority. That's very, very important. The higher, the better for you. So the higher the point average, the better. So click on the top pages. I mean, when you see a page that is linking to you and they have page authority, PA, by the way, means page authority. If the page that is linking to you, it's just about 22, that's equally as bad as your own site having 17 out of 100. So you do not want a site with very low authority linking to you, because that will essentially affect your ranking. So what you can do here is to have all these sites disavowed. And how do you do that? You go into Google. I'm just going to search for Google disavow tool. Click on that. Disavow is just like saying back off, do not link to me, and just it's going to show you this document right here, which you can just read through. So where it says disavow link, just click on that. I mean, the reason why people have a lot of this problem sometimes, well, before now, was people, well, in order for them to get their site to rank, they'll just go out and hire some SEO companies and have them just add a bunch of links to their site, which these days hurt them more than anything else. And that's when you end up with those spammy links. So, and this is how you can get rid of those links that are spamming and are hurting your SEO rank. So you just type in the Google disavow documents, click on it, come over here, and because you really do want to ensure that whatever page Google is ranking with you, you want it to be your page, not some other page that you don't even know where it's where they come from. So if that happens, you have to go back into your setting to make sure that you're showing all your pages. Otherwise, you want to come over here and disavow some of those links. So you can also go back into your setting. Like I said, just make sure you can rearrange your pages to ensure that you are really indexing the right page. So it is essential that you know the pages that are linking to you, the quality, the authority of such pages, so that way it does not hurt your ranking, and of course does not end up spamming your website, which will lead to Google indexing the wrong page, and that will hurt your SEO score. So when that happens, of course, you want to go into your the back of your blog, rearrange your pages according to how you want them to be indexed by Google, and of course you want to come over here and do this very step to disavow those unwanted links. So once that is done, now we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step of our SEO health check. Hey, what do you think? I hope you get one or two things from there. And again, I apologize for the difference you're going to see in the interface, because Google recently changed the interface on the Google console, but still you can navigate through because it's pretty easy. Now, like I told you, that video was actually one of the videos that I put from the course that I released 2019 about SEO secret, which I sold for $597. But relax, I'm not going to sell it to you. What I want you to do, if you want the entire, I think it's about 18 modules on SEO, and what you need to do to ensure that your site is SEO compliant, so you can start seeing, all those organic traffic coming to your site. So what I need you to do, I'm not going to sell it to you for $597. I'm actually going to give it to you for free. But here's the condition. Click on the link below. I have a new book that I released about content, unlimited content secrets. All right. I love content. I love free secrets. I love free traffic. Who does not love one? So I show you in my new book how you can take advantage of content creation to get traffic and of course convert those traffic and turn them to money. So this video, the entire 18 module, is part of the free gift that I'm going to give to you. If you get on the list today, on the waiting list to get a free copy of my new book called Unlimited Content Secret that's about to hit the market, and I want you to be one of those very first people to get a free copy. So if you get on the waiting list, once this book is released, not only am I going to be sending you a free copy of that book, I'm also going to send you the entire SEO secret course, which I sold for $5.97, but it's going to be yours free. Well, thank me later. What I need for you to do right now to just say thank you, Luke, man, is to hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Adios.